Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 605. In this video I'll show you how to insert SIM card or SD card. In the beginning, remove the smartphone case if you've got one on. And next, prepare SIM card tray opener. The SIM card tray is located on the left top corner of the smartphone. Eject the SIM card tray. And as you can see, this smartphone has two SIM card slots and one SD card. Put the SD card like this. The shape only fits in one way. Same with the SIM card slots. You have to put each card so the chip are at the bottom. Now insert it back like this. It also goes only one way in and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.